let's see. So Clive has been using Patch My PC in his environment. Finally, sometimes get another installation in progress and it fails. Have you seen that? Secondly, is there a way to update the built-in Windows 11 apps via PowerShell? The Defender portal is complaining that it's out of date. So first and foremost, are we seeing any installation conflicts with Patch My PC applications, basically?
Not something that I stumbled across neither in Intune or Config Manager.
No, same here. They're usually pretty good about keeping those things from conflicting. But one thing you may want to try with, if it's just a specific application, you can actually pop up like a notification that asks the users to close their apps first. You can maybe play around with a little bit of that customization, but I've not seen too much of that failure out of the box, so long as the application can close and everything. So that might help, I hope.
And otherwise, reach out to their support. They are
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And they're always very happy, and in my experience, very quick to help. Clive's second question here was, is there a way to update the built-in Windows 11 apps via PowerShell?
Well, the update itself is triggered automatically every other day. There is a WMI class you can call to force that to kick in. I used to have that in my lab. Let's see here. If I go over to this server here. Might I put this in this folder? Invoke store update. That sounds reasonable. When we were testing basically DO traffic and whatnot, we often initiate. And now I'm trying to launch ICE from a command prompt. Is it Monday? No, it is Wednesday. Can launch ICE from PowerShell prompt. That works, but not from a command prompt unless you provide a full path. So let's see, demo, lab environment, scripts. That was a script name. I usually, when I run this, I usually ask the event log, okay, how many updates have you updated recently? And I get a count of it. And then I run this a method on a specific WMI class to force an update to those components. It does require that you actually allow that to happen. It's possible that the service is stopped or something, but this will trigger all the updates of inbox applications to kick in. So we put that up on, maybe we didn't. Or GitHub repo, thinking of it. Let's see. Here we go. Not sure why I put it in the config manager folder, but I did. So that is that script. So it's up there. And we forget the links here under the video. So